Let's get you the latest updates on the coronavirus crisis, particularly on the treatment protocol here in India. There's been a big shift from the previously set standards on COVID-19 treatment. The government has now dropped plasma therapy from COVID-19 management guidelines, saying it was found not beneficial in reducing the progression to severe disease or death. The development came soon after a meeting of the National Task Force, wherein all members were in favor of removing the use of convalescent plasma from the guidelines, citing its ineffectiveness and also inappropriate use in several cases. So let me explain to you why scientists now believe that plasma is not something that can be used in the treatment of COVID-19 patients. Number one, scientists have said that convalescent plasma is not associated with a reduction in COVID spread between people or within the patient's body itself. There's also something that the scientists have pointed out, no difference in COVID-related deaths due to plasma. Even if a patient gets plasma, it doesn't change his or her chances of battling the virus. It also raises the possibility, and this is very worrying, it raises the possibility of developing more virulent strains due to irrational use. When it is used non-stop without possible scientific methods, it's also leading to more strains of the virus emerging here in the country, and this is something that scientists have established. Let me take this across to Milind Sharma, who's joining us with more details on this. Milind, that last point I mentioned is a bit worrying, because not just are we talking about plasma not helping patients, but scientists fear that it could actually lead to more virus strains.
Well, that is something that was conveyed to the government's principal scientific advisor as well in a letter written by a lot of experts, explaining that the indiscriminate use of plasma for treatment of COVID-19 is happening in the country. Well, it was happening without any hard evidence based on the fact that plasma was indeed instrumental in saving lives. But it wasn't, because the ICMR did one of the world's largest studies with a cohort that was given plasma and one that was not. And it was found that there was no significant reduction in mortality of patients. And which is why at the time that the plasma was administered as well did not make a difference. And throughout India, states started making plasma banks, and there was appeal and donations as well to donate plasma. But it also led to indiscriminate use. The India Today also exposed how people were charging money, and black marketing of plasma was also taking place. So that is the ugly side to the COVID-19 pandemic, but which is why experts came together to recommend that plasma therapy be removed from off-label usage to treat COVID-19 patients without having any significant impact to save lives.
All right, Milind, thank you for getting us those details. The government has now accepted that plasma is not a form of treatment for coronavirus. Meanwhile, the DR